So today in this video I have the M10 Smart T 3G. This is the second version or second generation. It has 4 GB of storage, so these features seem to be similar to the previous model. This is the device number, model number, 512 MB RAM and 4 GB RAM. So that is all we have inside this nice packaging from M10. So let's go ahead and see whether it is real 4 GB. So we have the device here. This is it. And in the bottom we have the USB cable, headphone and the power adapter and the user guide. So this is the phone right here. So let me check whether it is real 4 GB. So going to the settings. So this second generation is a bit faster than the earlier version, and even the buttons are kind of soft. So heading to the storage, USB storage enabled, internal, which is 4 GB, as you can see, 4 GB right there. Oh, that is 4 GB. Media, little media there, application data, but the system is 2.08 GB. So all that means I have 1.9 something GB to use, and also add an SD card. So that is all with this new generation. Nothing is new, maybe the software updates. As you open the contacts, you have some icons there, and also in the messaging. So that is all with this M10 Smart. Let's go ahead and see the user guide. Smart guide. So these are the table of contents, apps. So this is the same guide that was given in the earlier model. That is it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon to all notifications to get all the updates from my channel when I post a video. So thanks for watching to the end of the video. May God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.